Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. We were in need of a new PTO switch, so I want to show you this one from JEENDA. This switch is compatible with several models of Toro ProLine Turbo Force mowers, so you just want to make sure that it's going to fit yours. This switch is what starts up the blades, so it's pretty important. The swap is really simple though. It's literally pop out the old one, pop the new one in. There's no wires or cables to connect, and it just works perfectly. Our mower is a little bit older and our switch was failing previously, so this is a really nice improvement to our mower so we wouldn't have to fight with that old worn out switch. So it's been a simple job, but a really big upgrade to the task of mowing the lawn. So you can see that it works with a simple pull of the switch, and then you can hear the mower blades starting up. So these are really easy to install and we're really happy with it, and that's my point of view.